Hi, I'm Kyle Kern, and welcome to Burping and Shit.
Oh, that sounded brutal.
It's so brutal it came out in sections.
Right.
Ew.
Oh, my throat, dude. Oh. Holy fuck. Oh, I don't want to blow my chicken at you, dude. Oh, it's stuck in there, dude.
You gotta stand up. You gotta get more airflow, dude.
I know I'm like a kinked hose right now.
You gotta stand up more. Oh damn!
I'm gonna have a sore throat tomorrow.
Or a strained blood vessel in your gut.
God, that's terrible.
Is it still in there? Stand up, dude. Shit.
Oh man, every time it's like a kinked hose, dude.
Dude, fuck. Just stand up, dude.
Oh, fuck. Now it's gonna come out my ass.
God, charging rum barrels. Oh, damn. Wait, actually, step in more to the light. That's probably why I can't see you. Oh.
Oh man.
Wait, dude. Put yourself together for a minute. It's a disease nest. You're right. Uh-oh.
Oh, no, I'm still okay. I'm not a kinked hose anymore.
Yeah, you feel better?
A little bit.
Damn. Ew.
Hey, dude, this is gonna get us laid.
I don't know, dude. Most women would find this unattractive at being very. Oh.
Right.
Oh.
Well, that was a monster, dude. Uh-oh, that wasn't a monster. That was
a delayed.
Oh, dude, I feel like I'm gonna have a baby, dude. Oh, I hope this one comes out the right way.
He has to breathe, people. Damn, dude.
Oh, that's gonna be a beast, dude.
Oh, damn, dude. I heard that from here. Oh, holy shit. I can't charge when you have me on my knees laughing. Like the old saloon, huh?
Yeah. Hell yeah, dude. Hey, we could stop this video at 4:20. It's got 10 seconds to go.
All right.